Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I want to show you one patio set that I just got from Home Depot. This is StyleWell 6-piece patio set, and you can see there are four folding chairs and one folding table and one umbrella comes with this package. And here is the dimension, like information of all the products, all the items that is coming. So it's just $100 and it's little heavy, not one person can carry. So I am putting it in my garage to uninstall it, open the box and install it, then I'll take it to my patio. So this is just something. It's the regular price on Home Depot, it is $129, and they have a sale that is $30 off, so I got it for 100 bucks. And it's a really nice thing, like you are getting four chairs and one umbrella and one table for 100 bucks. Even if you want to have like four folding chairs, minimum is $15 in Walmart. Those are from the like metal. That's the But this is good. So this is a very good deal. So let's open the box and see and show you all the items and the quality. So friends, after opening, this is the table, tempered glass. So you can see the table, and the table is like 39 inch 33.9 inch. That means 34 inch wide, 34 inch length, and height is like 28 inch. And this is the four chairs, 1 2 3 4, and the umbrella is here. And also they gave you one frame. I'm not sure what's the use of this frame, so I'm gonna check it out after opening that manual. I'll check it out. So let me take now all these parts to my backyard and then I will put them. So before I do the installation, I want to check the manual. What comes, they give the tool. This is important, and this is the manual. So let me see their instructions. So it's important always you see the instruction first. And the chairs will be easier, no need to do anything because it's folding chair. But the table, it will be little difficult, I believe. Yes. So I have to follow this instruction. This way it will work. So let me do that and let me see. So friends, let me do the installation. This will be the tricky installation. So I have to remove all these parts. This is what I need. So all these are removed. Oh, one, two more. So you can see this is the table and this is the tempered glass. So this is nice, good quality. And now I have to put this, all this, and you can see the hooks here. This is a punch and there is a hole here, so it will be like you have to put it like this. Done. So you can see done, it came up. So this is done. So I am going to put the other two. It's not a tough job, but the thing is it's tricky. It's very simple, but it's tricky. Done. So now you have to put these things, and this is easy. You see this one will fit here on this hole. See, you can see here. I think I put it in wrong way. So it's done. Let me show you closely. You can see these things, this hole. That's it. So now let me put the screws. So friends, I have tightened all four screws. So it is ready now, and you can see this one. You can adjust the table, like you can adjust the table so that it doesn't tilt. So this is for all four legs, has all this screw. So let me now install the table, put on the table and chairs. So it's done. You can see it looks nice. Now let me put the umbrella and see. So this is the umbrella package. And this is the umbrella. One small thing, it just came out. It says stop, please run umbrella ups and down, loosen fabric before opening. So they asked to lose all the fabrics. They asked me to lose all the fabrics and then open the umbrella. So this is the big umbrella, and they are not giving any base. That's one thing, so that's we need to consider. And this just came out, this plastic, so you can see how to, so it locked. Now I can easily put this umbrella. So let me put the umbrella on. Okay, so the umbrella is on, and you can see the umbrella. Here's the umbrella. So it opened, as you can see here. So this is the full picture of the set. Now you can enjoy this nice, beautiful 6-piece set for $100 only, and the installation is really easy. If the umbrella is closed, then you can see this will be the view, so you can use both way. And one thing is, they are not giving any base for the umbrella, so you have to use your own base. So that's one important thing. Otherwise everything is really nice. And you can see the chairs. This is really comfortable, you can easily sit on it. It's really comfortable. Nice chair. You can see the material. This is nice chair. So friends, you can see the chair is very comfortable and it's really nice. I like this. I can enjoy now, have dinner. If you have small family, you can easily nicely enjoy this patio set, and it's just $100. So friends, that's all about this video. Please let me know how do you like this video, and if you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.